Do you need any help? Many times po, I have experienced that. Lord, kailangan po, please lang, patulong. Things happen. Things happen. God will help. God will make a way. Oh, right now, do you need forgiveness? Those who are listening right now, Lord, I've sinned. I'm in a deep, deep problem with sinfulness, my bad habits. Lord, I need you. Just open your heart to God. That's it. Instead of thinking of so many things, open your heart to God. That's all. And, sisters and brothers, please be open hearted to people. Dasal ka ng dasal, wala namang nakakarating sa iba. Be mindful of people, and please listen to people, and be compassionate. Open-hearted ka, may puso ka sa iba. Have a heart, di ba?